Hey folks, let's dive into the world of comedy and talk about why Saturday Night Live, or SNL, is the undisputed king of American comedy. Buckle up, because this ride through comedy history is going to be a blast. First off, SNL premiered in 1975. That's nearly 50 years of making people laugh. Created by the legendary Lorne Michaels, this show has become a cornerstone of American entertainment. But what makes it so special? Well, think about it. SNL isn't just a show. It's a launchpad. Many of today's biggest comedy stars got their start here. We're talking Eddie Murphy, Bill Murray, Tina Fey, and more. These folks didn't just walk onto the stage and become icons, they honed their craft in the high-pressure live environment of SNL, and that pressure cooker environment, it's a big part of why the show remains so sharp. Now let's talk about the writing. SNL's writing team is a powerhouse, constantly churning out new sketches that reflect current events and pop culture. This keeps the show fresh and relevant, week after week. The writers work insane hours, often pulling all-nighters to get sketches ready for the live show. That's dedication, folks. And then there's the format live sketch comedy. It's risky, it's unpredictable, and that's exactly why it's thrilling. When things go right, it's magic. When things go wrong, well, it's still pretty hilarious. And that's part of the charm. You never know what's going to happen next. Now let's not forget the iconic characters and catchphrases. From the Coneheads to Wayne's World, these sketches have become part of the American comedic lexicon. They've given us countless laughs and moments to quote at parties. Trust me, a solid live from New York, it's Saturday night, never gets old. And let's talk about the musical guests. SNL has hosted some of the biggest names in music, from David Bowie to Kanye West. This not only diversifies the show, but also brings in viewers who might not normally watch sketch comedy. It's a genius move that keeps the show relevant across different demographics. So there you have it, the history, the hard work, and the reasons why SNL stands tall as America's comedy king. It's been a wild ride, and I for one can't wait to see what they come up with next. Remember, keep laughing, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into comedy royalty, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.